Good morning, KA. It is V Day in our ABC countdown. For the letter V, we are doing Veggie Day. So for Veggie Day, my family, we got carrots at the store, and we also got green peppers. And we love to cut up green peppers and carrots and dip them in ranch. So that's what we're going to do for Veggie Day today. Let's sing our May song since we are still in the month of May. M-A-Y spells May, M-A-Y spells May, the 5th month of the year. M-A-Y spells May. Kids go out and play all through the month of May. 31 days of sunny fun, and then the month is done. So we are in the month of May. Let's think about what number is underneath of our red balloon. If this is the number 14, we know that this number is one more than 14 and one less than 16. It is the number 15. All right, so if we know that this is the number 15 today, we're going to go straight up and find the day of the week. It is Friday. It's Fun Friday today. All right, so remember May, Friday, and 15. Those are all three parts that we need to remember for the rest of our calendar. So today is, we said today is, I'm going to need to move this really quick. Today is Friday. So there's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday, days of the week. Okay, so we found Friday. So let's put that on our line. Today is Friday. Yesterday was, okay, if today is Friday, yesterday is the day before. It was, what day is that? Thursday. Tomorrow will be, today is Friday. Tomorrow is the day after. It's going to be Saturday. Okay, let's go ahead and read it from the top. Today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. All right, today is Friday. Make sure we make that Y a digging Y. Always a digging letter if it's a lowercase letter. Then we need to find the month of May. Now remember, the number that we popped with our balloon was 15. So we do straight line down for our 1. Then for our 5, short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. And then pull down the year 2020. All right, let's go ahead and sing. Today is Friday. Today is Friday. May 15th. May 15th. 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. Awesome job. All right, now for our how many days we've been learning at home, we're going to add 1 to our ones place. So now if we look at our 10 frame right there, we can tell there are 3 ones. Let's write our 3. Around a tree, around a tree. That's the way to make. All right, and then if we come over to our 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, we've got 4, down and over, down once more. Okay, now when we put them together, we can tell this is 4 in our 10s place, so let's count by 10s, 10, 20, 30, 40, so we have 43 days of learning at home. And figure out how many days left of kindergarten. 4 days left. Friends, we have this weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and then when you come back next week, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. 4 days until summer, until the very last day of kindergarten. All right. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? If I look out of my window, right now it's just cloudy. It's not raining, but I know I've said before, sometimes when it's cloudy, even though it's not raining, it looks like it could rain. It just looks like it could rain at any moment. The clouds are pretty gloomy. They're kind of gray. Looks like it might rain. So let's go ahead and graph our May weather. Here is cloudy. So we've got partly cloudy and cloudy that are equal because they both have 3, and windy, foggy, and snowy are all equal because they all 3 have 0. Sunny has the most with 4, and rainy, it just has 1 day. It's not the least, it's not the most, it's just in the middle, just has 1. All right, let's find out what the temperature is in Oakwood, Ohio. In Oakwood, it is 68. You know what? It says it's raining right now. Although I don't see any rain, it might, I think that just means it's going to rain for sure. 68. So let's go ahead and write 68. I'm going to try and use my best handwriting on my computer here. 60. And then we have 8. 68 Fruit Loops outside, right? Oh, 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Ooh. I was going to try my best, but sometimes we make mistakes even though we're trying our hardest. I'm going to try, oh my goodness, I'm going to have to do it again. All right, here we go. Fahrenheit. Whew, all right, I did it. 68 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, what is the sentence? I have a few of them today. Let's go ahead and start from the top. Lucy and I like, all right, let's sound it out. O-W says ow. Full hours. Flowers. Lucy and I like flowers a lot. Lucy and I like flowers a lot. All right, well, let's fix our sentence. So we come to the very beginning. The very beginning of our sentence has a capital letter, so that's good already. Let's keep going along. Lucy and I. Look at this one right here. We know we need a capital letter when I is by itself, or if it starts a sentence, it's going to be a capital letter. So Lucy and I like flowers a lot. Well, I have a choice here. I'm not asking a question. So here I could either write a period or an exclamation point. Well, I think I'm just going to write a period here in my sentence. So Lucy and I like flowers a lot. Let's keep reading. Do you like flowers? Flowers. Do you like flowers? All right, well, let's fix our sentence. If we come to the very beginning, do we have a capital letter? We do not. We need to fix that. Do, let's try it again. Do you like flowers? Well, I need punctuation at the end of our sentence too. And I'm asking a question, so I need to put a question mark. Do you like flowers? All right, let's go to our next sentence. Some, that's that word again. flowers are, let's sound this one out. It. When you see a double E, you say E. So let's try. It, E. Pretty. Pretty. Some flowers are pretty. And some are odd. Odd. Some are odd looking. Okay. Some flowers are pretty and some are odd looking. Okay, well, we need to fix this sentence too. Let's come to the very beginning. We need to change that to a capital letter. And at the very end, we need some punctuation. Am I asking a question? No, I'm going to put a period then. All right, the very last sentence. TH can say th or th. This is the hard TH sound, so we want to say this. This one looks like a monkey. This one looks like a monkey. All right, are you ready for the picture? This right here is called a monkey-faced orchid. And this is a real flower. And there are all kinds of different orchids, but this orchid right here, they call the monkey-faced orchid because if you look at it, it kind of looks like a monkey. You can see the eyes and the nose. This one kind of looks like the mouth of the monkey. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and do our Number Fun Friday number talks. So I'm going to show you, and I want you to try and tell me what the equation is. Right here, 2 plus 6 equals 8. 3 plus 4 equals, use your fingers if you need to, 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 7 plus 3 equals this one right here. You can use your fingers, but since 7 is a larger number, I like to make sure I'm adding on from 7. So I want to count from 7. 7, 8, 9, 10. So then I can use my fingers to add up the 3. So I can go 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know 7 plus 3 equals 10. 6 plus 3 equals. Here I can do the same thing. Since 6 is a bigger number, I can count on from 6 with my fingers on 3 times. So I can go 6, then 7, 8, 9. 6 plus 3 equals 9. All right, that's it today, boys and girls. I hope you have a wonderful Friday and a happy weekend. We'll see you later.